Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Welcome to Echoes of Wisdom, inspired by the great works of Dr. Fadil Salih Samrai. Today, inshallah, we are here with our episode number 8, and inshallah, we are going to learn about الفرق بين مطهرون ومتطهرين. So here we are going to see what is the difference between مطهرون and متطهرين in Quran al-Kareem. So let's see what these two words mean in the Quran and how they are used. Al-Mutahhar. So let's see what is this word. Al-Mutahhar. It is اسم مفعول وهي تعني مطهر من قبل الله تعالى الذي يبدو والله أعلم أن المطهرون هم الملائكة لأنهم لأنه لم ترد في القرآن كلمة المطهرين لغير الملائكة. Like the example يمسه إلا المطهرون in Surah Waqia, ayah number 79. None touch it except the purified. So what does it mean? Al-Mutahhar. So how is it defined? It is a maf'ul, meaning purified by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Tahara yutahhiru. From family 2, allama yuallimu tahara yutahhiru. So ism maf'ul will be, ism fa'il will be mutahhir, and ism maf'ul is mutahhar. So we know that the explanation tells us that this term implies a state of being purified by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only. According to some interpretations, the purified mutahharun are the angels, as can be seen in Surah Waqia, as the word mutahharin does not appear in the Quran for beings other than angels. We have seen mutahhara, the singular form for azwajun mutahhara, but mutahharun is only used for the angels, and that is used in Surah Waqia, ayah number 79. None touch it except the purified. So, mutahharun, those who are purified. This term is often used in the context of divine purification, implying that the purification is done by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only. It indicates a state of being that is granted and maintained by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's divine intervention. As we have seen that in Surah Waqia, ayah number 79, it is mentioned, La yamassuhu illa al-mutahharuna. None touch it except the purified. Here, mutahharuna refers to those who are kept pure by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in this ayah, it is referring to angels. And those who are spiritually purified as well. But here, we mostly see that it is for the angels. And as I mentioned that it can be seen as a singular form in 6 to 7 ayat in the Quran, while it is used with azwaj mutahhara, that those ajwaz that we are going to get in Jannah. Here now we'll see mutatahirin, tahara yutahiru and mutatahir, and that is the ism file. This is the plural form of mutahhir. Mutahhir or mutatahhirina here يفعل أنفسهم أيهم يطهرون أنفسهم. Allah loves those who are constantly repentant and loves those who purify themselves. Allah يحب التوابين ويحب المتطهرين. In another ayah in Surah Tawbah, ayah number 8, 108, Allah يحب المتطهرين. Mutahhirin, and Allah loves those who purify themselves. And Wallahu Alam. So mutatahhirin, a term that means those who purify themselves. The form mutatahhirin or mutatahhirin indicates an isim file, meaning that they perform the action themselves. They purify themselves physically and morally. So those who purify themselves, what does it mean? This term is used to describe individuals who actively engage in the act of purifying themselves both physically and spiritually. It indicates a conscious effort and action taken by the individuals themselves to achieve purity. In Surah Baqarah, we have seen in ayah number 222, it is mentioned, إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ التَّوَّابِينَ وَيُحِبُّ الْمُتَطَهِّرِينَ. Indeed, Allah loves those who are constantly repentant and loves those who purify themselves. So here, mutatahhirin refers to individuals who take the necessary steps to maintain their purity and cleanliness, both physically and mentally and spiritually, highlighting personal effort and responsibility. So I hope this will benefit us all, inshallah. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.